Hello students, today's our lesson is Armed Revolutionary Movement. In the previous chapter we have learned how the non-violence movement was there, Quit India movement was there. All the movements of the freedom struggle was carried out in a peaceful way in a non-violence movement. But in this lesson we are going to study that there were certain revolutionaries, organizations were there. They were not a part of Indian National Congress, but still the contribution of theirs was great. They used armed, that is weapons, against the British rule. Non-violence violence against the British rule. They were not believing in non-violence, so they were not there in the Indian National Congress. And such first revolutionary was Vasudev Balwant Phadke, armed struggle against the British. He has launched. Vasudev Balwant Phadke took the training of arms from Vastad Lahouji Salve. For organizing the Ramoshis, that are tribal people, against the British, Vasudev Phadke was sent to Eden jail. Vasudev Balwant Phadke passed away in 1883. Epidemic of plague, like today we are having corona, during that time the same epidemic of plague was there. Plague was the disease that a person used to have high fever, temperature, and he used to die within 8 or 15 days, and the whole, it is a contagious type of disease. It used to get spread very fast, and villages and number of the people they were dying because of plague, and it was spread in Pune in 1897. Chafekar brothers shot plague commissioner, that is officer in charge, ran. During that time, in such a crucial condition also, this commissioner ran. He used to levy the taxes, and his attitude toward the people was very cruel, and that is why Chafekar brothers shot plague commissioner on 22nd June 1897. Secret organization was founded by Swatantravir Savarkar, that is called as Mitra Mela, in 1900. Mitra Mela was renamed Abhinav Bharat in 1904 after 4 years. Biography of Joseph Mazzani, authored by Vinayak Savarkar. The book The Indian War of Independence, authored by Vinayak Savarkar once again. President of the Marathi Sahitya Sammelan in 1938 was held under the leadership of Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Anand Lakshman Kanhere, he killed collector of Nasik, that is Jackson. He was been killed, like here our court is there, over there only Anand Lakshman Kanhere, he killed Jackson, collector of Nasik. A revolutionary organization in Bengal was formed by Badrinath Kumar Ghosh, that is Anushilan Samiti. They planned to kill Judge Kingsford. The people they planned to kill the judge, they were Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Chakki in 1908. Spread revolutionary organization outside Bengal was by Rasbihari Bose and Sachindranath Sanyal. Centers of revolutionary work was there found in Punjab, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Rasbihari Bose threw a bomb at the Viceroy Lord Harding. Vanchi Iyer killed Officer Ash. Provided assistance. All these organizations, they used to get assistance from abroad to Indian revolutionaries from the Indian House, which was there in London. Establishment of the Indian House was being done by Pandit Shyamji Krishna Verma and Madam Kama. They raised the issue of India's independence at the World Socialist Conference in Stuttgart, Germany. And who was that lady? She was Madam Kama. Madanlal Dhingra killed British officer Curzon Willie. Now you are checking out in this armed revolutionary, the revolutionaries' activity, and this revolutionary what contribution and what act has been carried out by these people. Important leaders of the Ghadar organization which was there started in Punjab, where Lala Hardayal, Bhai Paramanand, Dr. Pandurang Sadashiv Kankoje. So this Ghadar movement was started in Punjab. Anti-British plan in cooperation with the German Foreign Ministry in Berlin was by Virendranath Chattopadhyay, Bhupen Datta and Hardayal. Established provisional government of Free India in Kabul was Mahendra Pratap, Barkatullah and Ubaidullah Sindhi. Kakori conspiracy was carried out by Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Yogesh Chatterjee, Sachindranath Sanyal and etc. Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev established the Hindustan Socialist Republic Association in 1928. Chief of the Hindustan Socialist Republic Army was Chandrasekhar Azad, and the Bhagat Singh and Rajguru, from this group only they killed British officer Saunders. Bhagat Singh and Battukeshwar Dutt threw bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev hanged in Lahore jail for this act on 23 March 1931. Chittagaon Armory raid, the train which was carrying the government treasury, it was been attacked. This armory raid was done on 18th April 1930. Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary, even the female participation was more. They killed the district judge. Beena Das shot the governor during a convocation ceremony at Kolkata University. Sardar Udham Singh in 1940 killed Dyer, the officer responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre. You all know Jallianwala Bagh massacre, where the peaceful rally was there. The people, they have gathered to talk against that. It was a very peaceful procession. Afterward, the people, they gathered in the Jallianwala Bagh, that is which is surrounded and which is totally packed by the walls, and only two entrances were there. All the small kids, females, males, they were gathered there to listen the speech. Gandhiji was about to come, but actually due to some reason he cancelled over there. But at that time, the officer in charge was General Dyer, and he surrounded the complete ground and he started firing on the people. Many of the children, female, they died. Many of them, they were injured, and that was a very brutal act which was done by General Dyer. And as a result, in the revenge of that, Sardar Udham Singh in 1940 he killed General Dyer. So this lesson, this revolutionary phase was totally one side non-violence was there, and another side completely the armed revolution, that is a weapon destruction even from our Indian revolutionary was carried out, and it was displayed towards the British government. So in this lesson, in the deep, we are going to study about the armed revolutionary movement through the videos also and in the Zoom class also. Thank you, students.